Hello and welcome to today's speaking practice test. The cue card of the day is
Describe a book/movie/TV show that had a strong impact on you. You should say what was the title of the book/movie/TV show. When did you first encounter it? How did it impact your thoughts or emotions? How did it influence your thoughts or action afterwards?
Here are some quick tips for you. Remember the past, present, and future rule while making notes before you talk. Don't speak too quickly. Keep talking until the examiner stops you after 2 minutes.
The movie that really touched me is The Shawshank Redemption. I first watched it in my late teens. It was a story that stuck with me because it showed how important hope and friendship are, even in the hardest times. The main character, Andy, is in prison, but he never loses hope of getting out, and this really inspired me. This movie made me think a lot about hope and how it can help us through tough times. Seeing Andy stay hopeful and finally achieving his dream of freedom made me realize that no matter how bad things seem, there's always a chance for things to get better. It made me feel strong and taught me to never give up, no matter what. After watching The Shawshank Redemption, my way of thinking changed. I started to see the value of staying hopeful and positive, even when things are difficult. It encouraged me to keep going and to believe that good things can happen if I don't give up. This movie taught me that with patience and hard work, it's possible to overcome challenges and reach our goals. Thinking about the past, this movie gave me strength during tough times. Now, in my daily life, it still inspires me to face challenges with hope and to believe in better days. For the future, I plan to hold on to this message of hope and perseverance. I want to keep applying these ideas in my life and help others to stay hopeful too. The Shawshank Redemption showed me that hope can be a powerful force in our lives, helping us to push through obstacles and achieve our dreams. Its message will always be a part of how I view life and deal with challenges.
Part 3 of the IELTS speaking test involves a deeper discussion with the examiner on topics related to the theme introduced in Part 2. It usually lasts around 4 to 5 minutes. This part aims to assess your ability to express and justify opinions, analyze on issues, and engage in more complex conversations.
Do certain genres of media impact people more than others? Yes, some media genres like drama and documentaries can have a greater impact because they often address real life issues and emotions, helping people to relate and learn from them. How has your taste in media evolved over time? As I've grown, my taste in media has shifted from preferring simple, entertaining stories to enjoying more complex, thought provoking content that offers deeper insights into life and society. Can media change your perspective on an issue? Yes, media can change perspectives. For example, a documentary about climate change can make someone more aware and concerned about environmental issues, leading to changes in their behavior. How has technology changed media consumption? Technology has made it easier to access a wide range of literature and media online, allowing people to watch, read, and listen to content from anywhere at any time, increasing consumption and variety. What role do media play in education and awareness? Books, movies, and TV shows play a big role in educating people and raising awareness about social issues by presenting stories and information that make viewers think and feel more deeply about these topics. How can people critically analyze media messages? Individuals can critically analyze media by questioning the content's purpose, researching its background, understanding the context, and considering different perspectives to evaluate the message's credibility and impact.